back at Wesley's house, and we're gonna be working on wrapping my downpipe. I'm gonna get it prepped and ready to get wrapped. I'm not sure what to do. Wesley's gonna walk me through it, and therefore in return I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, as well as my wastegate dump tube and my rotated pedestal. I feel like this doesn't look that great. Follow along. I hope you guys enjoy. Wes had wrapped the exhaust on his CBR in black, and it still kept the black finish. And it's been on here for 4,000 miles, so it looks great. I think it looks awesome. Show us how he did it to make it nice and perfect, keeping it the same color on the heat wrap instead of it turning white. Look at this. This is the heat wrap that we're going to be using. This is the section that we're going to be wrapping from here to probably that weld right there. Also, when you're doing this, make sure you wear gloves. After you wrap it, make sure that you seal it with this Hi-Temp silicone coating. I'll have all the links in the description below. So, what Wes had just told me is that I'm going to be taking the heat wrap and I'm going to be setting it and holding it air to the top. Just start rotating it and make sure that it overlaps at least halfway. So what that means is so for example, I'm going to do it right here. I want to have at least go around, and on this ear here, I want it about halfway, and continue to do that and keep going down. So I'm going to start right here and go down to this welt. So I couldn't wrap it correctly or make it look as nice and pretty as Wes did. So he ended up taking over and making sure it looked all beautiful. And then after you're done, you're gonna take these metal zip ties that look just like this. And it goes through, slides in, and you pull it just to make sure it's all squared away. So he ended up doing the dump tube for the wastegate, and look how nice it looks. I still need to snip these off. This looks so nice. Look at that. Very, very nice. Wes got this little contraption with two ladders. One end right there, one end right there, and the wastegate dump tube. What a neat little contraption. So he can paint the whole thing. Not bad. Today we're going to be installing the downpipe. I just got back from Wesley's and he wrapped it, looks beautiful, sprayed it down, made sure it's all squared away. The same way with the wastegate dump tube and the rotated pedestal. Since it's been freshly coated, I'm going to clean off the surface here and then tap these threads just to make sure they're all clean and the bolt doesn't have a problem with going in. Same with this. I'm going to clean this mating surface as well as the bolt holes in there. guys, I got this, the surface is all cleaned up, nice and smooth. Ended up taking off the AC line that was running through right here because we need to get it modified to not hit the downpipe. So it rotates out right here and kind of hits the downpipe and goes over and then routes to the AC compressor right here. We got that line off. We might have to modify this, maybe depending on how we route the intercooler piping afterwards. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to be installing the pedestal and getting that squared away, cleaning the surface, and installing the downpipe.
That concludes the video for the downpipe install. I think the heat wrap looks great. Shout out to Wesley, beautiful job. He also dropped by to give me a hand with it, as you've seen in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's gonna take me a little bit longer to produce more videos because I'm in training and life happens, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna try to produce as many videos as I possibly can, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.